and the third toe has no surgery at all, which means it's super flexible, and now a corn has developed. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Yolanda Ragland, aka the Queen of Toes, the Foot Fairy, and your Dr. Foot Fixer. Today I'd like to talk about the before and after pictures we have right here in front of us. The previous surgery has left the second toe shorter than the third toe. It has also rendered the second toe with an undesirable scar. Part of the correction of the hammertoe or removal of corn is to stiffen the joint. However, in this case, the second digit is shorter than the third one, and the third toe has no surgery at all, which means it's super flexible, and now a corn has developed. Let's take a look at the x-rays to see what's going on under the skin on the bony structures. The arrow is pointing where previous surgery was performed. You can see that some of the bone grew back, and it appears like the bone that is above where the surgery was performed has actually dislocated, and that's actually correct. In order to get the normal parabola of the foot, which means that the second toe should be longer than the third and the third should be longer, more surgery has to be performed in order to restore the normal parabola of the foot. In this next slide, you will see on the after results that I have taken off a small section of bone from not only where the previous surgery was performed, but also in the joint that's right above that. Now we have restored the length of this toe. However, the second toe is still not short enough, and it is still super flexible. More surgery still has to be performed in order to restore the normal parabola of the foot. So the decision was made to remove a small section of bone from that joint that the arrow is pointing to, in addition to where you see the corn on the clinical picture. And voila, we see the before and after results with a restored normal parabola of the foot, improvement of the scar that was previously put there, and removal of the corn that appeared after losing the parabola parabola of the foot. Remember, I'm Dr. Yolanda Ragland, Dr. Foot Fixer, the Foot Fairy, the Queen of all the toes. And this is what it's like to have surgery done by somebody who understands what it's like to walk in your shoes.